Man has always been increasing efficiency of his work, wishing to spend less effort and maximizing the result of work at the same time. We've surrounded ourselves with different gadgets and electronics to accomplish this in the modern age. But are we using the digital resources to their maximum limit? Have you ever calculated how much you spend for buying a tech device? Coin Generation pays you money back that you've spent on your electronic purchases and allows you to earn additional cash. Install your personal copy of this application from CoinGeneration.com and plug your PC into the Profit Network today. Our application is using the power of your computer's core to perform calculations which are needed for our global projects. There are numerous areas that can benefit because of your help and support. Bioindustry, physics, finance, climate and satellite modeling, along with numerous other fields that have great yet hidden potential. Join the great project without any side effects. Just 2 to 6% resources are used from the total CPU load. This doesn't affect your PC performance or crash your operating system. Our application is supported by major operating systems, full compatibility with Windows and Mac. Fully instant automated payments that rock. But there is even more to the 2-level referral program that gives a great earning potential. Raise money with Coin Generation by making your favorite loved things. How much did you spend on your computer? Let it work for you. Digital Generation, a smarter way to use your PC.